Hello students and welcome to the video class of the chapter two-dimensional coordinate geometry. In last class we discussed the problems, the fundamentals, that is various form of the equation of line. Today we are going to discuss the problems based on the equation of straight line from the textbook element book, page number 271 and question number 6. Now find the equation of line. First question is 6a. Find the equation of line passing through the point 1 comma minus 1 and having inclination 150 degree. That means this is, suppose the coordinate xx x o, and this is y, and this is y dash, and this is suppose x dash. What do you mean by inclination? Inclination, that is the line passing through the point 1 minus 1. That is, suppose this is 1 and this is minus 1. This point is what? 1 minus 1. And the line passing through this point. The line passing through this point, this is straight line, may be like this, because inclination is what? 150 degree. So the line passes like this, because this angle is what? 150 degree. Clear? Now this is 150. Write clearly the figure. That is what? That is, suppose this is the coordinate axis x o x dash and y o y dash. Suppose this is point is what? 1 and minus 1. The line passes through like this and making angle here 150 degree. That is theta is equal to 150 degree. And this point is given point. Given point on the line is what? 1 comma minus 1. Inclination theta is equal to 150 degree. Now slope m equal to what? Slope m equal to tan theta, means tan 150 degree. What is the value of tan 150 degree? That is minus 1 by root 3. This is minus 1 by root 3. We know equation of line in slope point form. What is the formula to find equation of line in slope point form? We know equation of line in slope point form. We know equation of line in slope point form is y minus y1 is equal to m into x minus x1. This is formula to find the equation of line if point and slope given. Clear? Now what is m here? Now this is equation of line is here. Equation of line is what? This is the point is here x1 and this is y1. This is what? X1 is here 1 and y1 is minus 1. So is what? Equation of line is y minus of minus 1 is equal to what is slope here? Slope is minus 1 by root 3 into x x minus x1. So x minus x1 means what? So that implies y plus 1 is equal to minus 1 by root 3 into x minus 1. This is equation of line. Clear? This is the equation of line. Equation of line. This is the equation of line. This is answer. Or you may simplify this. Now the question number that is B. Second question. Find the equation of line passing through the point minus 1 comma 2, passing through the point minus 1 comma 2 and making intercept 2 on y-axis. This is the figure. Suppose the figure is like this. Passing through the point what? X is equal to 1, minus 1, y equal to, this is suppose minus 1 and this is suppose 1 and this is 2. So this point is, this is the point minus 1, 2 and making intercept 2 on what? 2 on y-axis like this. This distance, that is c is equal to 2. This is c equal to 2. So the line is what? Parallel to x-axis. The line is parallel to x-axis. Okay, passing through the point what? Passing through the point minus 1 comma 2 and making y-intercept, that is this distance is 2. So obviously from figure, that is the line is passing through the point, y-intercept is equal to what? Y-intercept c is equal to, this is c, given y-intercept is equal to 2. That implies the line cuts y-axis at 0 comma 2. Given that, also given the line passes through the point what? Minus 1 comma 2. Now equation of line in 2-point form. What is equation of line in 2-point form? Now equation of line in 2-point form is equation of line in 2-point form. 2-point form is y minus y1 is equal to y2 minus y1 divided by x2 minus x1 into x minus x1. Now this point is what? This point is suppose here x1 comma y1, that is 0 comma 2. Okay, that is x1 is equal to 0, y1 is equal to x2 comma y2, that is what? Minus 1 comma 2, that is x2 is equal to minus 1, y2 is equal to 2. Now equation of line is what? Equation of line is y minus y1. Y minus y1 means y minus 2 is equal to y2 minus y1, 2 minus 2 divided by x2 minus 1 minus 0 into x minus x1 means 0. So this is what? Y minus 2 is equal to 0 into x minus x. That implies y is equal to 2 is the equation of line. This is answer. Now another question. Question number 6, find the equation of line passing through the point. Solution is what? Hint, use the form. This is hint is, that is this is x1 and this is y1, this is x2 into y2. Use equation of line in 2-point form. In 2-point form. 2-point form. That is y minus y1 is equal to y2 minus y1 divided by x2 minus x1 into x minus x1. Use this formula, you can find the equation of line. Now question, find the equation of line. Find the equation of line. Find the equation of line passing through the point minus 2 comma 3 and sum of intercept is 2. that is solution. Sum of intercept is 2 means x intercept plus y intercept is equal to. We know equation of line in intercept form. We know, or let equation of line in intercept form is x by a plus y by b is equal to 1. This is equation 1. Equation 1 passes through the point minus 2 comma 3. So use x is equal to minus 2 and y equal to 3. Use x is equal to minus 2, y equal to 3 in equation 1. So what happens here? Now x means minus 2 by a, y means what? 3 by b is equal to 1. Clear? But given sum of intercept is equal to 2. That implies a plus b is equal to 2 or b is equal to what? 2 minus a. Now put, this is suppose 2. Use this value, use this in equation 2. Now minus 2 by a plus 3 by 2 minus a is equal to 1. Now simplify this. LCM is what? A into 2 minus a, that is minus 4 plus 2a plus 3a is equal to 1. Now minus 4, this is minus 4 plus 2a. So minus 4 plus 5a is equal to what? 2a minus a square. Now take this side. So a square plus what? A square plus 3a minus 4 is equal to 0. Now factorize this. This will be what? This will be a square, that is a square plus 4a minus a minus 4 equal to 0. Now take common a, that implies a into a plus 4 minus 1 into a plus 4 is equal to 0. That implies a minus 1 into a plus 4 is equal to 0. Clear? So a minus 1 equal to 0, a plus 4 is equal to 0. So a equal to 1, here a equal to minus 4. We know a plus b equal to what? We know a plus b is equal to 2. If a equal to 1, then b is equal to what? B is equal to 2 minus a, that is b equal to what? 2 minus 1, that is 1. So equation of line will be what? So equation of line will be what? Now equation of line will be, now equation of line is what? Equation of line is x by a, means x by 1 plus y by b means 1 is equal to 1. This is equation of line. Another, if a equal to minus 4, then b is equal to what? B is equal to 2 minus a, that implies b is equal to 2 minus of minus 4, that is equal to 6. So equation of line is what? So equation of line is equation of line is x by a, x by minus 4 plus y by b. B means what? 6 is equal to 1. This is two answers. Now this is question of what? Question solution of question number 6 and bit D. Now another question. Now another question, another two questions. Find the equation of line whose perpendicular distance from origin is 2 such that the perpendicular from origin has inclination 150 degree. Okay, we know this is normal form of the equation of line. Okay, we know normal form of the equation of line is what? We know normal form or perpendicular form. Perpendicular form of equation of line. Equation of line is x cos alpha plus y sin alpha is equal to p. Here solution, here p is equal to what? 2. Alpha equal to 150 degree. So equation of line is x into cos 150 degree plus y into sin 150 degree is equal to 2. That implies x into cos 150 degree. Well, what is value of cos 150 degree? That is, what is the value of cos 1? That is minus root 3 by 2. Minus root 3 by 2. And what is the value of sin 1? That is y into half is equal to 2. Now simplify this. This is minus root 3x plus what? Y is equal to 4. This is the answer, or you may simplify this equation. Now another question. Find the equation of line bisecting the line segment joining the points at right angle. Bisecting माने equal part करतो. Suppose दीटा लाइन पॉइंट अच्छी लाइन सेगमेंट रो ए आउ बी, तो ये अच्छी 3, -4, ये अच्छी सपोज 1, 2. बाइसेक्टिंग मीन्स मिड पॉइंट दी पास करिवो. राइट एंगल मीन्स आकु 90 डिग्री. एटा हला लाइन दा आर इक्वेशन दरकार. एटा हला हमर लाइन आर इक्वेशन केते पचाछि क्वेश्चन रे. तो फास्ट दरकार हम बाइसेक्टिंग द लाइन सेगमेंट एट राइट एंगल कहिछि. तो मिड पॉइंट बाहर कर दियो. गिवन सॉल्यूशन, गिवन that is what? Endpoints of line segment. Endpoints of line segment. Line segment AB. That is what? Are 3, -4 and 1, 2. Suppose this is midpoint M. Now midpoint M is equal to what? Midpoint M is equal to 3 plus 1 by 2 minus 4 plus 2 by 2. That is 2, and this is what? -1. This is one point on the line. This is a point. This is what? 2, -1. Now, what is slope of AB? Slope of AB is equal to what? y2 minus y1, 2 minus of -4 divided by 1 minus 3. That is 6 by -2, that is -3. Since line perpendicular to AB, that implies slope of line into slope of what? Slope of AB into slope of AB is equal to -1. Now slope of line, that implies slope of line into is equal to minus 1 by slope of FB. Slope of FB. So that is equal to what? Minus 1 by minus 3. So this is equal to what? 3. This is M. Now one point is here. The point, now point on line is what? Now point that is what? 2 comma minus 1. This is treated as x1 and y1. It x1 y1 near. Slope देज के line derive कले slope m is equal to what? 1 by 3. Now equation of line is what? Equation of line is y minus y1. Y minus y1 means y minus 1, slope 1 by 3 into x minus 2. Simplify this. That is y plus 1 is equal to 1 by 3 into x minus 2. Or we can derive that, calculate this what? 3y plus 3 is equal to x minus 2. Or this will be x minus 3y minus 5. Minus 5 is equal to 0. This is the equation of a required straight line. Okay, now some more questions. Now find the equation of line bisecting the line segment joining the points AB, A dash, B dash and minus AB, A dash minus B dash. Suppose this is the point what? A whose coordinate is AB and this is B whose coordinate is A dash, B dash. Another line suppose here. Suppose this is C whose coordinate is minus A comma B and this is D, that is A dash minus B dash. What is the question here? The line passing through the midpoint of, bisect means what? Midpoint. Suppose this is midpoint M and this is suppose midpoint N. The line bisecting like this. This is M suppose. This is N suppose. This point is N suppose. So the line, this is our required line. This is our required line. This is a required line whose equation is required line. So what is here? Now given, find the midpoint of this line and find the midpoint of this line segment. So solution, given AB and CD are two line segment whose endpoints are shown in figure. Now let M is the midpoint of, let M and N are the midpoints of AB and CD respectively. Then coordinates of M, that is what? A plus A dash by 2 comma B plus B dash by 2, and coordinates of point N, that is minus A plus A dash by 2 B minus B dash by 2. Consider this is x1 y1 and this is x2 y2. Now the equation of line what? Passing through. Equation of line passing through the point Mn. Equation of line equation of line passing through the points, equation of line passing through the point what, m into n, m and n. Now equation of line passing through the points m and n is y minus y1 is equal to what, 2-point form, that is y2 minus y1 divided by x2 minus x1 into x minus x1. Here this is x1 and this is y1. Here x1 is equal to a plus a dash by 2, y1 is equal to b plus b dash by 2, x2 is equal to minus a plus a dash by 2, y2 is equal to what, b minus b dash by 2. Now equation of line is, y minus y1. Y minus y1 means what, b plus b dash by 2 into, that is y2 minus y1, b minus b dash by 2 minus what, b plus b dash by 2 whole divided by x2 minus x1 minus a plus a dash by 2 minus of a plus a dash by 2 into x minus x1. X minus x1 means what, a plus a dash by 2. Now simplify this. What is here? That is y minus here 2y minus what, minus b dash by 2 is equal to, here that is what, LCM 2 cancel here. So b minus b dash minus b dash divided by a plus a dash minus a dash into LCM 2x here, 2x minus a dash divided by 2. So this two goes cancel. Now what is remaining here? Now remaining here, that is remaining here, that is what, remaining here what, so 2y minus b minus b dash is equal to what, here plus b minus b cancel, so minus, that is what, minus 2b dash divided by, here a dash minus a dash cancel and this is minus 2a into 2x minus a dash. So 2 minus 2 cancel, that implies what, 2ay minus ab dash is equal to 2b dash x minus ab dash minus a dash b dash. So what happens here, that is a dash b dash, so ab dash and this is minus ab dash goes cancel. So what happens here, that is 2bx b dash x plus 2ay 2b dash minus what, 2ay is equal to, here that is ab minus, that is what, that is equal to 2b dash x minus 2, and this is a dash b dash minus ab, minus ab. This is the equation of required line. This is the equation of required line. Now another question. What is the equation of line passing through this point? Another question. Question number 6. That is, find the equation of line passing through origin and trisection of the trisection points of trisection. Find the equation of line passing through origin and point of trisection means what? 1:2 and 2:1. Trisection means what? Either ratio will be 1:2 or 2:1 of the portion of the line. So given line is what? Solution. Given line 3x plus y minus 12 equal to 0. Intercept, make it intercept form. So this will be 3x plus y is equal to 12. Divide both sides by 12. 3x plus by 12, y by 12 is equal to 1. So that implies x by 4 plus y by 12 is equal to 1. Now the graph will be what? The graph will be like this. What is here? That is x intercept and y intercept. Here x intercept is equal to what? X intercept is equal to 4. Y intercept is equal to what? 12. Now the graph will be like this. Suppose this is origin and this is what? 4, 0, x intercept 4, y intercept 12. This is 0, 12. This is y intercept. This portion, clear? Intercepted between this portion on the coordinate axis. Now equation of line, suppose this is the point P. Equation of line passing through origin and the point P. That is here, the ratio is what? 2:1. This is 1. 2:1. Now another point here, this is suppose Q. Another point here, that is what? Like this. This is the point Q passing through origin, and this ratio will be 1:2, and this is 2. Now let's, here AB is this is AB. Suppose this is A and this is B. From the figure, AB is the intercepted, the portion of the intercepted. From figure AB is the portion of the line intercepted between the coordinate axis. Let P and Q are the point of trisection. Let P divides AB. Let P divides AB in the ratio 2:1 internally. Okay, so coordinate of P, coordinate of point P, এটা 2:1, এটা হচ্ছে কোন যে AB, that is what? AB এ হচ্ছে 2:1, that is P divides the line segment AB in the ratio 1:2. This is what? This is 1 and this is 2, suppose 1:2, and this point is Q here. This point is Q. So P divides AB in the ratio 1:2 by division formula, that is 2 into what? That is what? 1 into 0, 1 into 0, 1 into 0 plus 2 into 4, 1 into 0, 1 into 0, that is mx2 plus what? nx1, 1 into 0, mx2 plus nx1 plus 2 into 4 divided by 1 plus 2, comma 1 is to 12, 1 into 12 plus 2 into 0, 2 into 0 by 1 plus 2. So the coordinate of P is what? The coordinate of point P, P of, that is 8 by 3, 8 by 3, okay, 8 by 3, and this is 8 by 3, that is 1 into 0, this is 2 into 4, 8 by 3, and this is what? 12, that is 4. Now slope of OP, slope of line OP, slope of line OP. So this will be 0, 0. Slope of line OP, that is equal to what? 4 minus 0 by 8 by 3 minus 0. That is 4 by 8 by 3. That is 4 by 8 by 3. So this is 6. M is equal to 6. Now equation of line OP. Equation of line OP will be what? Equation of line OP will be, equation of line OP is y minus 0 is equal to m मान कहते हैं 6 into x minus 0. So y is equal to what? 6x. That implies equation of line OP, y is equal to 6x. Now let cube, this is ratio is what? 2:1. This ratio is 2. This ratio is what? This is 2 and this is what? 1. Let q divides, let q divides FB in the ratio what? 2:1. In the ratio 2:1 internally. Then coordinate of Q, then coordinate of Q, that is what? 2 into 0, 2 into 0, 2 into 0 plus 1 into what? 4 plus 1 into 4 divided by 2 plus 1, comma, that is what? 2 into 12, 2 into 12, 2 into 12 plus, that is 2 into 12 plus 1 into 0, 2 into 12 plus 1 into 0 plus 1 into 0 by 2 plus 1. Now this is what? 4 by 3. This is 4 by 3 point Q 4 by 3, comma, this is 12, 24 by 3, that is 8. That is 8, 4 by 3, comma, 8. Now slope of OQ, that is 8 minus 0 divided by 4 minus 3, 4 by 3 minus 0. So this is what? This is 8 minus 0, that is what? This will be 4 by, that is 1 by 6. Sorry, this is wrong here. That is 4 by, that is 4 into 3 by 8. So this is what? 4 and this is 2. So the slope will be 3 by 2 and this is what? 3 by 2. Now 3 by 2 x, y equal to 3 by 2 into x. Now this is equal to what? 8 by 4 by 3, that is equal to 6. Now equation of OQ is y minus 0, y1, slope 6 into x minus 0. So y is equal to 6x, equation of what? Equation of OQ. Now another question. Now question is, find the equation of line passing through the point minus 4 comma 2 and parallel to the line. Suppose this is the line 4x minus 3y is equal to 10. Okay, 4x minus, we know equation of line, that is slope of the line. We know slope of the line. Slope of the line ax plus by plus c equal to 0 is formula m is equal to minus a by b. Okay, formula, that is slope of line m equal to minus a by b. This line, given line, this is given line. The required line is, this is required line. We have to find its equation. Required line, parallel. Okay, so slope of required line here, slope of required line is equal to slope of given line. Reason कौन? Given line. Since these lines are parallel, if two lines are parallel, then their slopes are equal. So given line is what? Solution, given line, that is what? Given line is 4x minus 3y is equal to 10. Slope of given line minus a by b, minus 4 by minus 3. So what? Minus a by b. So this is 4 by 3. Now when given line parallel to the required line. Since two lines are parallel, we know that is if L1 is equal to L1 parallel to L2 implies M1 equal to M2. Apply this concept here. So slope of the required line, that is M is equal to 4 by 3. Now required line passes through the point. Required line passes through is equal what? Passes through the point minus 4 comma 2. This is x1, y1, and this is M. Now equation of required line is equation of required line is y minus y1, y minus 2, m 4 by 3, x minus of minus 4. Okay, so this is y minus 2 is equal to 4 by 3 into what? X plus 4. Or simplify this, 3y minus 6 is equal to 4x plus 16. Or we can find, that is simplify this, that implies what? That implies 4x minus 3y. 4x minus 3y is plus 22 is equal to 0. This is slope of the required line. Now one more question, that is now find the equation of line passing through the point. Equation of line, figure here, equation of line, this is suppose line passing through the point. This is suppose point here, a cos q theta comma a sin q theta. Equation of line passing through the point and perpendicular to the plane. And this is suppose perpendicular, and perpendicular to line. This is perpendicular line, whose equation is what? X cos theta, x sec theta. What is here? X sec theta plus y cosec theta is equal to a. Is equal to a. Now solution. Given line is what? X sec theta plus y cosec theta is equal to a. Slope of the given line, that is minus a by b. That is what? Minus a means minus sec theta by b means cosec theta. So this is minus 1 by cos theta whole divided by 1 by sin theta. So slope of given line is equal to minus tan theta. Okay. Since a required line is perpendicular to given line, required line is perpendicular to given line. So slope, that is what? Slope of required line is equal to minus 1 by, we know that is if L1 perpendicular to L2, the theorem is what? If L1 perpendicular to L2, that implies what? M1 into M2 is equal to minus 1, or M1 is equal to minus 1 by M2, or M2 is equal to minus 1 by M1. Clear? So required line, slope of required line is equal to minus of, therefore slope of required line is equal to minus of slope of given line. So this is equal to minus of slope of given line is minus what? Minus tan theta. So this is equal to cot theta. M is equal to here cot theta. Now equation of line passing through the point. Equation of line passing through, that is what? Through a cos theta comma a sin q theta. Consider this is x1 and this is y1. Is y minus y1, y minus a sin theta and q theta, and slope, that is cot theta into x minus a cos q theta. Now simplify this. That is y minus a sin q theta is equal to cos theta divided by sin theta into x minus a cos q theta. Now multiply this. This will be what? Now multiply this. This is, now come this portion. Now y sin theta a into sin 4 theta x cos theta minus a into cos 4 theta. Now this will be x cos theta minus y sin theta is equal to a cos 4 theta minus a sin 4 theta. Now this implies x cos theta minus y sin theta a common, and cos 4 theta means cos square theta whole square, sin 4 theta means sin square theta whole square. Now this is equal to x into cos theta minus y into sin theta, a common, that is cos square theta plus sin square theta into cos square theta into what? Cos square theta minus sin square theta. Clear? This is what? This is into cos square theta minus sin square theta. Clear? Now that implies x cos theta minus y sin theta a into cos square theta plus sin square theta 1, and this is cos square theta minus sin theta formula, cos square theta minus sin square theta, that is cos 2 theta. Clear? These are some problems related to the concept of equation of tree line, and some more questions are there, so please work out the problems. Okay, then in next video we will discuss some more concept, what is the perpendicular distance of the point from the line, what is the angle between two lines, and family of lines, etc. Okay, thank you, have a nice day.